Hey guys, Britt Treese here from WB Treese Consultants and WBTC3.com. Today we're talking about what components are included in a cost segregation study. There's 5 categories of components. Some of them you may have heard of, some of them you may not have. Number 1 is the building structure. The structure that is integral to the building is depreciated across the 39-year timeline. It has the longest depreciation. The IRS considers commercial buildings to have a 39-year lifespan. Number 2 are the building systems. We're talking about plumbing, electrical, HVAC. Those are also, the integral parts are depreciated on a 39-year timeline as well. The third component is the land improvements. The things that have been added outside the commercial site, these are depreciated on a 15-year timeline. The fourth component is considered personal property. This is a little different than what some might consider personal property because things like cooking equipment are included. Things that have been added onto the walls that aren't integral to the walls, those are considered personal property. So the consideration that the IRS makes here for 5-year items is maybe a little bit different than in other assessments. And that's fine. That's all documented in case law. The fifth thing is construction-related expenses that you can get back really as an immediate write-off that are documented. So if you're doing a renovation to your property, you're able to document those construction-related expenses and get those back as write-offs immediately. Those are the 5 things that a cost segregation study can document for you, the commercial building owner. Check out that IRS guide online and contact us at WBTC3.com. Thanks again.